Good evening. I'm Koichi Iwabuchi from Japan Asset Management Platform. Can I share this presentation? Okay. Okay. Today, I'd like to explain about challenge and support for starting financial business in Japan. This sheet shows the time schedule for a case of launching investment management business in Japan. Please see the arrow top of the chart. From kick off the regulator on the left middle to launch of business on the right end, you should understand it takes around 9 months in basic for the investment management business. During the first 6 months, you have to get regulators' understandings about your specific business model and your internal control process. Then you can submit the formal application to the regulators. After that, regulators start their official review in around 2 months based on their manual. Please note, even if you get the license, you cannot start your business immediately. After the license, you need to apply for the association's membership in general. After the association's approval, you can start your business. Please see 5 notes on the bottom of the sheet. They show 5 challenges during this project. Challenge 1, which license against your business model is required? Challenge 2, sufficient compliance staff and others are prepared. Challenge 3, good and reasonable office location and back office system are prepared. Challenge 4, can manage daily compliance monitoring and back office operations. Challenge 5, is it possible to communicate in Japanese for the project? This sheet shows 5 challenges and 5 solutions. For challenge 1, which license against business models, you can receive registration support to apply licenses to match your business models. Challenge 2, sufficient compliance staff and others. You can receive recruitment support for good compliance officers and other staffs. Challenge 3, office location for back office systems. You can receive research support for good and reasonable office and back office systems. Challenge 4, daily compliance monitoring, back office operations. You can receive compliance monitoring support and back office operation support. And challenge 5, communicate in Japanese. Though FSA has started to communicate in English, but you can receive Japanese communication support. There are many service providers to support part of 5 challenges in Japan. But I'd like to say that JAMP, Japan Asset Management providers platform, is a company to focus on supporting for whole challenges in English, as this sheet shows. Next sheet is the JUMP group's profile for your reference. If you need more information, please access jumpplatform.com. JUMP is keen to support your JUMP. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, please ask us.
Okay, Mr. Iwabuchi, thank you so much for your presentation. We appreciate it. Okay, I'm not seeing any questions. Wait a second. Yeah, okay, I'm not seeing any questions for this part. So, sorry. Can you please share all the email addresses of the speakers or whatever email they would like to use for inquiries? So they only stayed on the screen for a short time so that someone wants to follow up. So we'll be sure to share those. And let's see. There's a question about if a foreign asset management company is having a JV in Japan with a Japanese securities company, and our Japanese partner does all the compliance and regulations and processing, does the foreign asset management company need a license? In the UK, they would not need to have a license. Oh, sorry, Mr. Iwabuchi, I think you're muted. There you go. So, yeah.
Actually, can you repeat the question about that?
Sure. So if a foreign asset management company has a JV in Japan with a Japanese securities company, and the Japanese securities company does all of the compliance and regulations, does the foreign asset management company still need a license?
Yeah, if such a foreign asset management company's business in Japan, especially for the client in Japan, the license is required.
Okay, thank you very much.
But of course, for the among the professionals matters is another discussion matters. Only for the security firms approaches is a different dimension.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Is that all the questions? Okay. So that's all the questions for this section. So thank you again, Mr. Iwabuchi. And I'm going to pass to my colleague to wrap up our session for today. So go ahead and take us away.
Hello, this is Jackie. Thank you for your time today. I would like to share the schedule of upcoming events with you. So today's event is followed by 2 more seminar events in this year. The first event is for fintech companies and is planned to be held in November. In this event, we will have Japanese financial institutions and investors introduce about the target and the investment plan for foreign fintech companies. Also, there is a session for fintech companies conduct pitches to find business opportunities in Japan. And the second event is for asset management companies and is planned to be held in December. In this event, we will have Japanese asset owners, such as financial institutions, pension funds. They will introduce the demanding and new trend in Japan asset management market. And there's also a session for foreign asset managers to conduct pitches. The event site will be posted soon, so please allow us to send the email to send it to the email address you registered. And if you are interested in attending any one of these 2 events, please kindly have a check on that. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Okay, so just once again, thanks everyone for joining the session today. And we will be looking forward to seeing you again at the next one. Thank you. Oh, also, we will be distributing a survey. So don't forget to fill out the survey, as that is how we will know to distribute the next information. Okay, thank you again for joining.